Good morning, students. Today we will discuss types of foreign exchange exposure. An internationally involved firm may indulge in export or import activities, or it can go into for any foreign direct investment. For that, they need to exchange one currency into another currency. They have to face huge risks that arise due to uncertainty with respect to future exchange rate that ultimately affects profitability of their business. Foreign exchange exposure. Foreign exchange exposure is potential gain or loss that occurs as a result of change in exchange rate. Such gain or losses can arise not only in case of currently contracted foreign exchange transactions and also anticipated future cash flows related to foreign currency. Foreign exchange exposure is a measure of sensitivity of a firm cash flows of changes in exchange rate. It can be measured by examining how the firm's market value and present value of its expected cash flows respond to changes in exchange rate. As per Bradford Cornell and Alan C. Shapiro, exchange risk is the variability in the value of a firm as measured by the present value of its expected future cash flows caused by uncertain exchange rate changes. There are three types of foreign exchange exposures: transaction exposure, economic exposure, and translation exposure. First is transaction exposure. In the words of Richard P. Melnick and W. Carl Kester, transaction exposure arises whenever a firm enters into financial contracts requiring future settlement in some foreign currency which is other than the reporting currency. Transaction exposure is the effect of unanticipated changes in real exchange rates on nominal cash flows on already entered export or import contracts. Transaction exposure relates to the possibility that exchange rate will change after a contract has been entered, but before the settlement has been completed. This is a short-term exposure. It can be measured as foreign currency inflows minus foreign currency outflows into expected exchange rate. Economic exposure. Economic exposure is the sensitivity of operating income to unanticipated changes in exchange rates. It measures the impact of changes in exchange rates on net present value of expected future cash flows associated with a firm's foreign investment projects. It affects overall profitability of the firm. It affects competitiveness of an MNC in international market. This is a long-term exposure that amounts to the impact of unexpected changes in the exchange rate on firm's competitive position. It can be measured as present value of foreign currency inflows minus present value of foreign currency outflows into expected exchange rate. Translation exposure. As per Richard P. Melnick and W. Carl Kester. Translation exposure arises when a firm has assets and liabilities whose value is denominated in currencies other than the parent's reporting currency. Translation exposure relates to the changes in valuation of assets or in profits which may occur when accounting statements prepared in foreign currency are translated into the domestic currency for the purpose of preparation of consolidated financial statements. Only those assets and liabilities are exposed to translation exposure whose value is translated at current exchange rate at the time of preparing consolidated financial statements. This is a short-term accounting exposure. It can be measured as exposed assets minus exposed liabilities into expected exchange rate. Thank you. Thank you.